Hi friends, we're on lesson 4-8 for math today. Solve word problems to facts to 20. I can solve different kinds of addition and subtraction problems. Okay, you'll need your math book and a pencil. I'm on page 273. Some books are on a shelf. Aiden puts 4 more books on the shelf. Now there are 12 books. How many books were on the shelf to start? Use objects, drawings, or equations to show your thinking. I'm going to draw a picture, okay? I need to know if the numbers that they gave me are parts or if one is a part and one is the whole. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make a part whole, okay? Now it says some books are on a shelf. I don't know how many there are, but Aiden puts 4 more books. And now there are 12 in all. So I know that 12 must be the whole. So I'm going to put 12 on the top, which means 4 has to be one of the parts. How many books were on the shelf to begin with? We can use the counting on strategy. Starting with 4, we can find the missing part. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I'm going to stop there because I reached the whole, which is 12. 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equals 12. So there were 8 books to start. And then Aiden put 4 more, and that's how he got 12 in all. Okay? Drawing a picture is always a good strategy to use when solving addition and subtraction problems. Okay, let's turn the page. Write an equation to match the story and solve. Draw a picture to help. Let's do number 1. Cal rides his bike on Monday. He rides 8 miles on Tuesday. He rides 14 miles in all. How many miles did Cal ride on Monday? Okay, remember, the first step is to figure out what the numbers they gave you are. Which one's the part, which one's the whole, or are both of them parts? They didn't tell us how many miles he rode on Monday, but they said he rode 8 miles on Tuesday and he rode 14 in all. And all tells me that this must be the whole, which is why they have that at the very end of the equation. Okay, one of the parts is 8. So what you can do is draw a part whole, Matt, or you can start off with 14 counters, and I'm going to do that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I can take away 8, one of the parts that I already know, to see what the missing part is here. So what plus 8 is going to give me 14? Let's get rid of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm thinking subtraction. Okay, what is the missing part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 8 will give me 14 miles in all. So it's very important to make sure you know which numbers are the parts and what number is the whole. You're going to do the same thing for numbers 2, 3, and 4 on page 275. Okay? Number 2, Maggie wrote 9 pages of a story yesterday. She writes some more pages today. She writes 12 pages in all. How many pages did Maggie write today? Go ahead and write an equation for that. Draw a picture to solve. Number 3, Gemma has 6 games. Chris has 13 games. How many fewer games does Gemma have than Chris? Once again, write an equation, draw a picture, and then give me the answer. And number 4, Lily has 4 fewer ribbons than Dora. Lily has 7 ribbons. How many ribbons does Dora have? Go ahead and write an equation to match the story and draw a picture to help. Okay? Remember, with the numbers that they gave you, you want to make sure you need to figure out which one is the whole and what numbers are the parts.